Hi, I'm Travis, an engineer at Stateless. I'm excited to show you a preview of our network services platform. At Stateless, we've developed a network services platform that goes beyond hardware appliances and network function virtualization. Let's start with a brief overview of the web UI displayed here. Starting in the top left corner, you can see the hosts in the cluster laid out. In your data center, the Acros platform sits between the internet and tenant servers. In the top right is the system status, which will display important event information. In this demo, we'll be displaying traffic per tenant per host and an aggregate view of the traffic per tenant. You can see these graphs on the bottom of your screen. The first thing we're going to do is launch a firewall for one of our hypothetical tenants, Anna. You'll see our provisioning system has allocated resources on the cluster to run the firewall. In this case, you can see the firewall running on host number 2. At this point, the system is ready to process traffic for our tenant, Anna. So let's start running it. You'll also see our second tenant, Bob, but potential traffic for Bob is black holed because he doesn't have any network functions configured. So let's give Bob something to do. We'll launch a firewall for him, and you'll see the provisioning system assigns responsibility to host number 3. You can see that the primary responsibility for Anna and Bob are assigned to hosts 2 and 3. They're still in a high availability state. If one of these hosts fails, the responsibility will be automatically migrated to a healthy host. Now let's see that in action by faulting host 2 manually. You can see how the responsibility for Anna's firewall was automatically migrated to host number 1 without any administrator intervention. What this means for your tenants is that traffic will continue to be processed despite hardware failures or network hiccups. Let's bring host 2 back online. The system will automatically utilize its resources once that host is detected as healthy again. Another major feature of the system is tenant elasticity. Let's increase the traffic load on the system for our first tenant, Anna. As the traffic load increases, we automatically redistribute the responsibility to multiple hosts across the cluster. In this case, you can see the responsibility for the additional load is assigned to host number 2. This same concept of horizontal scalability applies to all tenants of the system. Even the most dramatic of spikes that would bring other systems down can be handled gracefully with Stateless. As Bob's traffic surpasses the capacity of 2 hosts, we'll continue to scale as long as resources are available within the cluster. Thanks for watching our short demo. To schedule a full demo and to learn how to deploy Acros on your network, click the Schedule a Demo button.